product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, man? What is going on? We got a new camera in the house. What's up, new camera? How you doing, bro? Good to see ya. Oh, my God. Look at, just in time to zoom in on this nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. What's going on, gang? Good to see you guys. My Otter gang, I love you guys, man. Happy Monday. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Look at Bitcoin rolling over on everybody. Are we gonna get long? Are we gonna get strong? I mean, I'm looking to get long, like literally right now. I want to press buy. I don't know. Do you guys want to press buy? I kind of fixed. I'm trying to get rid of the green. I got the green screen behind me, but you know, it looks a lot better. Obviously, it depends. Like if this was like, if we had Darren does things, or maybe Maureen, or maybe Melissa or Maddox, if they were on the camera, it would look a lot better. However, I'm working with what I got, so I'm just really trying. I'm just trying to be here for the support team. You know, I'm not here to advertise for 4K. I'm not going to go there. 4K for me would be anyways. You know, Mrs. Otter said I need to wash my face in the morning now. I'm like, don't tell them that. Don't tell them that. We're just here to make money. Press buy and sell. So what's going on, everybody? Good to see you go. Oh, mad love to every single one of you guys. Let's jump in the chat. Massey is making me giggle already. He said he's selling everything and he's buying Retardio. Does anybody know about this coin? So there you have it. We got Mr. Massey here. He's going all in on the Tardio. We'll call it Tardio because it's not politically correct. I mean, that's the power of meme coins. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Look at this sweeping into this area here. I really want to press buy right now. I might press buy right now. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. Are you guys thinking about it? I'm thinking about it. Rounded bottom, breaking highs here. Ooh, into a key level of support, golden pocket. Oh man, tell me to buy it, baby. Tell me to buy it. It's too early on a Monday to go and press buy. You see, the number one rule that I have, the number one rule is, am I okay? And you ask anybody, especially because I used to work construction. You watch these guys roll in on Monday morning at like 7 a.m. These guys can't even tie their shoes, okay? So why are we going to go and put ourselves at risk when we just rolled over a good old chunk here? Like a good 1% move since 8 o'clock? I mean, I'm not going to fight this just yet. We'll fight it today. We plan on fighting it, but not yet. And everything is kind of pointing down right now. We have the Bart Simpson coming down on our heads, right? We have some liquidity down below us, but let's be patient. We have mitigated this golden pocket. Now we're coming for a 786. We can mark out a 786 if you guys would like. I mean, that's always on the table. We got our little 786 here. We'll see if we do get a bounce off of that, but I took the long yesterday. From here. Beautiful sweep, and I closed it way damn early. It was in the evening, and I had family time. It's all about family time. So I mean, could have made a lot of money last night if I didn't have a life. But sometimes that's why we trade, so we can have a life. So it's important that we all say good morning to all of you people, because we know how special you guys are. And I am actually looking to long peanut right now. As crazy as it sounds. If you want a degenerate play along, this is the one. Remember, we're going to say one Degen play every morning. So the Degen play this morning, as I've prepared for you guys, is to long peanut. Now, we'll see how it goes. I am in a little bit right now, okay? I don't know how it's going to go, but I am long on the nuts, man. I'm long on these nuts, okay? I'm still of the fanboy group who thinks peanut can go to $5, okay? Okay? This is not ever financial advice, but this is really like don't plug your ears kind of advice, okay? So I am in a long on peanut this morning. Look at this, coming down to our 786 bouncing. Let's see if we do get the bounce out of here. 786 bounce. We marked it out this morning. And let's say good morning to everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know. What do you think about this new camera? Am I crispy enough for you? Am I crispy enough? I don't know. I can shrink myself down into this corner and put myself in a timeout if you would like, but I'm trying to upgrade the quality of the stream, all right? We want to have high quality. Okay? We got it all nice. Ooh, this looks... I just want to long this thing so bad. Let's say good morning to everybody. Thank you so much for being here. What did you guys get up to? Traded, crushed it. Traded, got wrecked. Okay, that's why I tend to stay out on the weekends. Touched grass. Let me know. Yeah, let me know what you did on the weekend. Would love to know. I wouldn't say we. I take credit because I've assembled the Avengers in the Discord. Okay, and Kyle gave the trade setup. I mean, guys, Kyle spoiled you with the dot trade, man. This thing did not even pull back. Kyle was just like, go long on dot. You might wanna. Go long on dot, he said. Hold my beer, go long on dot, said Kyle. I mean, this is crazy. Like I don't know what Kyle's like the people's champion, man. He's like, you smell what the Rock's cooking? Here's the dot trade setup. You're going to go long. I've entered the long. Okay, and then the long is starting to get schlong. And then the schlong is starting to go so high that you cannot, I mean, target hit, baby. Target hit, baby. Look, zero drawdown. He's a wizard, Harry. He's a wizard. My God. What? So, I mean, if you're not, now it's my part to say, if you're not in our Discord, I don't know what you're doing, man. Kyle's a wizard. Kyle is a wizard. Let's say good morning. Clay the Great, Alexandra G, good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, good morning to you, my man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Mad love to you guys. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Look, Darren crushed trading and touched grass and did some DIY, I believe. Did you get that room finished there, Darren? Mad love to you, bro. Good job last night as well. Thank you for looking at that CVD absorption for me as I was in that long. Mad love to you guys. WF Motivation, good morning to you. Maureen Otter, gang. Let's go, Maureen. Mad love to you. Jeffrey, forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Alex, just to clarify, what you mentioned in yesterday's live regarding me in the words of Shaggy. It wasn't me. Let's go. Oh, man. Good to see you, Maureen. Paul Caruso, good morning. Alex O and the gang. Let's go, Paul, man. Mad love to you. Maddox, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Lotmo, Crypto, and Wonder Bar, my favorite chocolate bar. Finally, my spot started pumping. Let's go. That's incredible. Let's go. A lot more crypto. Melissa, good morning to you. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And Paper Planes. I mean, some real OGs in the chat, man. You guys have been around for 3 years now, almost. How old are we together? I mean, some real OGs in the chat, man. God bless you guys. Super ofertas. Good morning to you. Have a great day. Thank you for everything. No, thank you. Thank you for being here, man. Supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys do want to support the channel, you can just hit that little like button we got over there. We only got about 26 likes. I think that's pretty minuscule to what we're used to. So if you wouldn't mind, just press back on that phone. Make sure you're at a stop sign or something like that, and press the little like button. I know they make it hard, but it does help the channel. So thank you for doing that. Quasim, good morning to you. Mad love, man. Maddie's buying retardio, or Massey's buying retardio, so be careful, guys. He's pumping our bags. Looking for a bounce off the 786 here. I want to see structure change to get long. After this big dump, I want to see structure change, okay? Just waiting here. Dean Ellie Dean. Good morning, Otter gang. Crypto Traveler. What's going on? Good morning to you. Buck, good morning, man. Good to see you. Is it going to hold the lower trend line, bros? We'll see. There is some liquidity down below. We are sweeping the 786 right now. We are flashing a possible green dot on Market Cipher. A little bit of a bullish divergence here coming in this morning. It's tempting me. So looking at this right now, what I'm talking about is I want to see structure change. Then we can justify getting in here. So something like this, where we see this high taken out. A little bit of patience right now. We see the bullish divergence here, the bullish divergence here. So we'll see anytime creeping volume surge, right? So any volume surges typically give us divergences. We just don't want to rush it, okay? Because everybody and their brother and sister and godson is trying to long this thing right now. So let's be cautious and let's wait for confirmations. Inverse head and shoulders here on the 1 minute, but we don't want to be getting long here or getting long here and it continue to roll. We want to see this thing have strength coming back in and some sort of continuation jump on the trend, okay? That's kind of how I'm looking to trade it this morning, but let's be patient and let's see what the market gives to us, okay? 130 viewers in here. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here. Looks Chris says, Melissa, thank you. Melissa, Massey, Slam Banjo. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Crypto Mike, good morning to you. Hope you're doing well. I can get behind that. Minor glitch at Massey. CMD Zines. Good morning to you. Stephen K. already pressed. Is he pressing buy already? Oh my God. Are we looking at the peanut trade this morning? We are in the peanut trade this morning. Fucking hell. Oh, mind my French. I can't help it. I said I was going to do a Degen trade in the mornings, so if you are up early, hopefully we can catch the Degen trades together. Check H-bar. It's pumping the last days. H-Barbarians on the way up, and away. Let's go, H-Bar. Me, camera stuff, you'd be fuzzy in the black and white with rabbit ears attached. Let's go. You can press buy. I close my short, says Darren. Let's go, man. I just longed injective. Let's see. Buffering. Uh-oh. What are you guys saying? We should be all right. Stream quality is okay. It's saying stream is healthy. Excellent stream status. Look at this. I cannot make it up. Okay, this is Canadian. I cannot make it up. Stream is healthy, okay? Whether it's lying or not, it's telling me it's healthy, okay? So don't hate. Appreciate. Oh my God. 90s slang. Don't hate, appreciate. What a day. What a time to be alive. Oh man. I know you are, but what am I? We were so original, man. I cannot believe the peanut pump. Yeah, let's go. Spyros, good morning to you. Jay Violet, good morning as well. Good to see you. Good to see you. Buck, Stephen K, Slam Banjo. What's going on, man? How you doing? Jay Violet, French Toaster, the bravest toaster around. Mad love to you, brother. Hope you're doing well. He came from the future. Who's that guy? I was up 10K, went out and saw that it dumped and it hit my stop loss, walked away with 1K. That was painful. Well, you walked away with 1,000, so it is still a win, but yeah, we pumped and dumped and the houses came down on our heads. So, long from 89.3. Let's go, Steven. Let's go, Steven. Mark Dutch is in the chat. Let's see some beautiful clogs in the chat. Happy Monday to every single one of you guys who are joining us this morning. We are looking for a potential long here. Nothing as of yet. So let's see if this does, reclaim the support level over here. Looking for some continuation here. We do have liquidity, which resides below us here. VWAP is above us, okay? So patience will prevail. We look to somewhat target VWAP. We'll see how that plays out this morning, but we'll do top-down analysis as well on Bitcoin. Amazing. Weekly close looking good. Okay, so everything's looking pretty healthy. Doesn't mean we can't have a little bit of a correction, so let's just be patient with all that. Good to see you, John Foster Crypto. Good morning, family. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Darren does things. My son's room is done. Yeah, man. Awesome. Good afternoon, all you sexy otters. That's how Dutch sounds. He has the podcast voice. My name is Marky Mark and the Funky Dutch. Good morning. Tony Soprano, what's going on, my man, Tony? What's going on, brother? Hope you're doing well. I think Tony's in an XRP long, man, crushing it as well. Good morning, Vigneswaran. Good morning to you, Vigneswaran. Good morning, Chris Klein, Marco, Nadifli. I think I have the Italians all in here. I don't know. Let me know, Marco. Are you Italiano? Bello? Ciao, caro. Good to see you. Al Jr., what's up? We got Hancock in the chat. My man, gang. Look at this thing's pushing back a little bit here. Pushing back. We'll see how it reacts. This is looking tempting, man. I don't know. I'm not going to get long just yet. I want to see structure change. Okay? I might miss the pump, but that's okay. Koala Gamer, like the stream, baby. Thank you so much, Koala Gamer. Don't mess with... I've actually seen koala in real life down under in Australia, and not all of them have chlamydia, to be honest. Isn't that weird how they all have... Most of them have chlamydia? It's kind of gross. Yeah, they're cute and cuddly with chlamydia. Watch out. G Corp. That's why I clicked this is not for children on the stream. Okay, we can all handle that word, can't we? It is a bit cringe. Good morning to all you St. Louis coin. Good morning to you, man. Welsh Jesse, good morning. Mad love to you. Melissa, Al Jr., RS Miller, you on top chat for your information. See, why does it keep doing this? Why does it start me on top chat? Oh, man. I'm so sorry. If I missed you, say hello again. I'm sorry. I'm on top chat. Thank you for reminding me. STL, mad love to you, brother. It starts me out on top chat, so I mean I can't help it. BTC 4 hour looks like a trigger wave to the downside, I'm pretty sure, after going over it. Aaron, good morning. Buck RS Miller, good to see you. Bored PC guy. I like that. Good morning to you, man. Hope you're doing well. Kindness is what we're built on. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Bass Crouton, why long when Bookmap biggest red is 85K? I don't like Bookmap. I think Bookmap's a load of bollocks, as they say. It's just a bunch of bubbles, man. We ain't here to blow bubbles. We're here to trade price action and market structure with a little bit of market cipher, okay? But I'm not a big Bookmap fan. I mean, it's great, it's great talking point, bubbles and shit, but for me it's not you see all these big bubbles like fake outs, right? The fake outs, You know, people put orders in, they take orders out. They put orders in, I mean, not for me, man. Not for me. Buffering again. It says healthy. It says healthy stream. Good morning, Lunar Beaches, crypto, LBC in the place to be, man. God bless you. Uh-oh. Now we just got a warning. Stream status is buffering. Why? Why? This is Netflix, man. There's nothing wrong with anything here. We'll see if it does come back. I refreshed it, still doing it, okay? Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Guess I'm just going to have to trade while waiting. We're looking for Peanut to push up here. We're going to do top-down analysis on the Bitcoin. We'll see if this does fix itself. I mean, I don't understand what's going on with the stream. It continues to do this to me. And it's like very, 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 very annoying. Very annoying. So she's coming back. I'm just pulling a Netflix on you guys, okay? I'm pulling the Netflix on you guys. I'm going to do top down here. Taking a look at Bitcoin, seeing if we can find, look at the bounce off the 786. Perfect little bounce here. So we're going to go over that. I'm sorry for the buffering, my friends. Trudeau is absolutely sending it. Yeah. You guys want the lag/USD coin, says Dave Digital. It doesn't make any sense to me, man. I can't buy faster internet. It does not exist in Canada. It's fiber, it's direct connection, plugged right into the side of my computer. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. And that's just the way it is. Maybe it'll reset. Stream status. Serious issues. Okay. It says we're back. We should be back. Put a 1 in the chat if we're back, if it's okay. It says we're back. I'm not sure. That's okay. We're going to go top down for Bitcoin. Looking for potential long. Let's take a look at it. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being here. Just going through all of this. All right, so what's going on with Bitcoin? What happened? What is going on? So simply put, let me pull up the chat over here so you guys can tell me if it's okay. Okay, simply put, it's that Canadian internet. Oh yeah, it is definitely. Simply put, we are in up only mode. Okay, very, very simply put, up 30% weekly candle close, absolutely beautiful. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. However, we are getting a tiny bit of a rejection here coming into the third week of November. So let's see how that pans out. Overextended on our momentum waves coming up. So for me right now, this is just saying be cautious. VWAP's cooling off a little bit. However, I mean, very, very bullish price action on the way up here. You know, the FOMO is real. Any correction, any big connection is going to be okay. What does 2 mean? A 2 in the chat means bad or a 1 in the chat? It's worse. I don't understand. It's saying it's fine. That's weird. Oh, man. Wrecked. Gone. 1, but it's not okay. That's weird, man. I got to get my own Starlink probably, yeah. If I get my own Starlink, what does Starlink cost? Because this is unacceptable. The stream's current bit rate is lower than recommended. Stream is healthy. Stream is not healthy. Stream is healthy. Stream is not healthy. That's annoying as fuck. Oh, man. I can't force it to be healthy. I got direct connection, so this is constant problem. I'm going to have to take a look at it, man. I'm really going to have to probably get Starlink or something like that. As soon as it's 8:40, my internet just turns into a complete gong show. Which doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Simply put, frozen. I went out, came back in. Are we any better? Are we any better? Let me know in the chat. Gone. Oh, man. I'm sorry, friends. I'm sorry, friends. That's all right. I'm still going to trade. Coming in here, looking at Bitcoin. We were about to do top-down analysis. Now we're doing a slop-down analysis, I guess. That's upsetting, man. You come and you go. Packet droppage or bitrate too high for whatever ISP feels better for now. Okay. I don't care about the price. It's a write-off for a business expense. So I can pay for it. I don't know about Canada. Okay, 75 pounds a month. Okay. I don't mind paying for it. We're still here. Good morning, Alexandra G. Thank you for being here. Make it take the supplements. Maybe it's my stream settings. I don't know. I've gone through all this the stream settings, the output, bitrate, everything. So it's weird. Good now? Okay. That's so weird. That's so weird. It's actually great right now. So we are great. I'm just going to continue, guys. That's okay. I mean, I pay like 100 and change for fiber, and this is BS, right? Going back to top-down analysis, so looking at the weekly candle close, amazing weekly candle close. Now, the concern for me right now is the 3-day. We do have a nice little hammer candle here on our 3-day, but this next one here is the concern. So we got red stochastics coming over. We have the VWAP crossover to the downside. This could mean a little correction, okay? I'm not saying it's going to happen, but this could mean the front run for a little correction, and we only have a day left in this price action. So something to be aware of. Okay, going over to the daily as well, we can see a little bit of exhaustion up at the tops here. Now, I really wanted to see some sort of sweep of these highs, right? Coming in, sweeping these highs in here. We didn't get that, right? So we didn't sweep and then break down. So we still have this sort of ascending triangle, which is bullish, okay? This is still bullish. It's just, right now, let's see if we do get any sort of liquidity sweep down into this $85,000 region. That's something I'm very well aware of going into this morning. Now, looking at the 12-hour, the 12-hour seems to have reset. Now, the interesting thing about the 12-hour is that every time we attempt to break out of the zero line, right, we haven't. So I'm really looking forward to when this thing sort of resets and we break through that zero line, looking to push price above. That's one thing I'm keeping my eyes peeled on. Obviously, money is insanely strong right now. So let's be patient, but also this is looking decent for a continuation, Big push up, right? Cool off, leaving more room for the upside. Now, The 4 hours, what was concerning this morning, you can see the 4 hour money flow is actually perfectly rounded. Okay. So this is concerning if it does continue to round off. Now, if money starts to make higher highs, then we're okay. However, we're coiling up right now. This is very much coiling. You can see in here. So it's going to make a decision quite shortly, probably this week, probably soon. Okay. Red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot. Looking like it wants to bounce right now. Okay. We have not gotten above these highs. I'm still looking for this long. Looking at this. Okay. No buy yet. We are in the peanut long. Don't get it twisted. We are in the peanut long this morning. We'll see if this thing can come up to $2. I want to see $5, but if this comes up to $2 today, I'll be happy. Okay. Look at Bitcoin trying to push here. It's 8:45. Thank you everybody for being here. Hopefully the internet's behaving itself. If it's not, then too bad. I can't fix it. And I got the best internet you can possibly have. So lag again, says RS Miller. Yeah, see, this is BS, man. Everyone short, same. Ad was perfect. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to do, RS Miller, man. It's annoying for me as well, man. I can't fix it, man. I can't just go and talk to the internet gods of Canada and say, "Hey, man, I've spent money on this thing and all of a sudden it's garbage." It's very annoying for me as well. And I'm sorry. If you don't want to watch, that's fine. I understand. Of course. We're still going to find the trade and we're still going to make money. So this is like the Mike Tyson fight version, okay? Oh, man. Ridiculous. So the 4 hour coiling up, 3 hour, same deal. Okay, money coming out, coiling up, looking for a decision. Now, with the 3 hour, I'm looking for view up to start to turn up. That's something I'm keeping my eyes on. And to hold the 50%, the zero line on stochastics. We'll see if we do hold that as we are coming close to it right now as we're speaking, okay? The 2 hour, trigger wave to the downside. So everything right now is really pointing down after last night. So we came in last night. We got a beautiful bounce off of our golden pocket, which I was able to long. Okay. However, this was a little bit risky in the evening. We were able to long this, I believe. It wasn't from this low. It was from this low. Anyways, the golden pocket bounced off of that, pushed all the way up, getting everybody overnight, super bullish. Asia's long all the time, it seems. And now we are stuck kind of in this ascending triangle. So can we hold this? Can we continue upwards? That is always going to be the question. But right now, I'm looking for this thing to possibly sweep down below. We'll see if we do get it. Looking into like 87. Okay, doesn't mean we're going to get it. We are in this ascending triangle. If this continues to hold, this to me is very bullish and very strong. And we're just going to ride this puppy to Valhalla, as they would say. Okay, so hopefully we get this. We're not guaranteeing that, but you can see it's very clear. This is an ascending triangle, and those typically are a very, very bullish pattern. So we'll look to see if this does want to continue, but not getting overly hyped up about it. We want to stay level-headed as a trader. There's a very important thing that you need to do as a trader, and that is separate your hodl bags from your price action, okay? We all want to see prices go up. I just allocated like $100,000 worth of money towards altcoin positions, okay? Rotating my Ethereum profits into them. However, a correction would be healthy. So let's just stay level-headed as traders. We can see we're getting a little trigger here on the 2 hour. Now coming into what we have here rolling over. Nice posturing here on the VWAP on the 1 hour. So let's see if we can get some sort of turn up on this 1 hour going into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here and sticking with me. I know the stream is misbehaving. You guys sniped that bottom yesterday. Yeah, it was a great long. I mean, where is it here? Because you got to always show proof, right? 63, or sorry, not 63. Where was the entry? Do I have it here? Yeah, I should. I should have it here. Anyways, but it was just off of this, right? Golden pocket, bounce off of here. 1 minute. As soon as you see the 1 minute engulfing candle, let me go over here. Oh, where is it? Hody dody do. I think it was, no, I get lost on the 1 minute. It was down in here, right? So you get this engulfing here, coming back down and popping right up. It made you wait. That was where I closed. So I closed a bit early, but nonetheless, still a great trade. It's not easy to have the stones to go long there, but sometimes it's just like, okay, I've seen this before. I manage my risk, and you enter the position, and you see where it gets you. Especially on a Sunday evening, it's a more risky trade. That's probably why I closed it. And spending time with family, didn't really want to be checking my phone every 2 seconds while we're having Sunday dinner and stuff like that. So pretty wild. But I see you crushing it as well, Darren, man. Shout out to you, brother. You're absolutely crushed. Oscillator wise, where we rejected from 87 target hit. Okay, awesome, man. Awesome. Choppy stream is a decent price to pay to watch a ninja live. Let's go, Buck, man. I mean, I'm trying my best. I don't think it's you. It's just the time when everyone is jumping on the internet, so it causes lag, just like the old AOL days. I know, it's like dial-up, man. Like, maybe my wife is jumping on, she's scrolling the hub, looking at some hot, hunky guys, and I'm just over here working my ass off. No, I'm kidding. Mrs. Otter does not do that. Oh, man, she's an angel. But, it's everybody and their brother and sisters jumping on the internet, waking up to go to school, yada, yada, yada. And maybe we're just getting that influx of people. But it's super, super annoying. And I feel terrible. But at the end of the day, I pay the biggest amount of money for the healthiest possible internet, and I get rugged every day. Every day there's something. There's something with this internet. So we're going to have to call the provider and Bell Fiber internet. Bullshit. Sorry. So we'll see how this goes. Lovely lady lumps, uneven butt cheeks this morning into our 786. This is a bullish pattern. We are at a key level. We do have some volume above us here. So if we turn on our beautiful trend lines, okay, we can see that we're trying to hold this volume level here, which would be acceptance into this area in here. So if we're looking at our 1 hour, we get rid of our beautiful trend lines, right? And we pull this across and we see that, hey, look at this value area in here. We can see that we are bumping our heads up on this thing here at 89.8, okay? This is the fight. This is really the fight for 90K, okay? That's what this is. So that psychological level, they're putting in a lot of volume here, trying to hold on, right? They're trying to hold this. We'll see how it goes, right? They failed to hold this yesterday. We swung down, bullish divergence, popped up, took the long. Now we're looking for the continuation of this uptrend. And they're really trying to wreck people trying to get long on this. The leverage longs, they're trying to knock them out, not give them a chance. So we'll see if we can hop on the bandwagon. Okay, we got to be quick here, though, and make some quick decisions. We got 10 to 9, so we're still in good nick. Peanut's pretty flat right now. We'll see if the peanut trade does want to push. I would like to see peanut get up to at least $2 today. Okay, we'll see how that plays out. Remember, don't risk your life savings on meme coins, please. It's never financial advice. I just want to make that clear. Okay, looks like we're getting a little push here from the corn. Red dot fake out. Okay, 5 minute. Let's go over to our scalping strategy. And I just wanted to let you guys know, thank you for sticking with me, man. I'm sorry about the internet. I wish I could fix it. I wish I could do something about it. It's super annoying. It's super annoying. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. And would love to say good morning to you. Mad love to all of you. Thank you for being here. She's looking at the Otter Hub. Good morning, little fish. Good morning, Miller. Good to see you. Sorry about the internet, Miller. My bad, man. Mad love. Alexandra G says Lunar Beaches. Brian McManus. Anyone else not hearing him? You should have good audio. Peanut is moving. Let's go, Peanut man. Let's go. We're long on the peanut. Just so you guys know, we're long on the peanut. That is peanut, not peanut. Don't get me in trouble. Tyson, how do you know when my VWAP and RSI is oversold on Market Cipher? So, well, you got to understand with Market Cipher. See, what I have added, and this is thanks to David Brumbelow, I've added overbought and oversold lines on my Market Cipher. That's for VWAP. So this is you can add in these lines -10 and +10. You see that? You got oversold, overbought. Look at that. Pretty cool, eh? Pretty cool, eh? So a little trick if you want it. But all you have to do, go into your settings here. You see your overbought 10 and -10, and then you can change the color over here on your overbought and oversold. Right there and right there. And then you'll have them on your charts. So there you go. There's a little trick. See, this is why you come to the show, where you can get a little bit of info. And change your VWAP to a line. You don't want to have it solid, because then you can't see money, and money is king. Okay, so overbought, oversold lines. And with the RSI, just understand that when you can imagine, a top line up here and a bottom line down here. Okay, so anytime you're oversold, overbought, right? Anytime you're above like 90, I would say 90 up here, and then but 10 right here. So 10 and under, so 10 to 0 and 90 to 100. That would be your levels for overbought and oversold on your RSIs. Okay, I don't favor that RSI too much. Okay, so be careful what you're using for confluence. Right, momentum waves and money is going to take priority over VWAP. It's just VWAP's more effective on higher term timeframes because it moves faster. Okay. Coming into this level here, nothing as of yet, down only in a pretty aggressive downtrend here. Let's mark out the downtrend momentum just so that we are aware. So sometimes you want to pull this back up to the high here, and you don't really have that there. So we're looking for this to break. We'll see if we do get a break. Go to here. Okay. But nothing as of yet. Continuation down. There's no reason to get long here yet. Okay. So right now, a little bit of patience will prevail. We do have this bottom trend line and liquidity coming in just below us here. So we'll see how that reacts going into market open this morning. We got 170 people in here. We had massive stream health issues this morning. I apologize, but we are back on track, and hopefully those who are new here, come and hang out. We have an amazing Discord. We'd love to have you. Kyle gave you guys the spoon-fed trade setup this weekend. Amazing dot trade. We all took it. We all made a lot of money. Incredible. For $20 a month, this is probably the best Discord in the world. It is the best Discord in the world. I mean, the gang, man. And look at this thing, man. Absolutely crushed, like 14%. Incredible dot trade, man. Look at this thing. 0 drawdown, 15% all the way up. All right. This was sexy, man. This was so easy. This was the easiest money spoon-fed trade I've had in a long time. Thank you, Kyle. You're amazing. Brewberry in the chat, man. He's doing all the live streams after me. Mad love to Brewberry. Thesis giving you guys amazing trade setups as well. Scalps, altcoins, and then you guys are stuck with me. And we've been crushing it as well, man. We had a couple great trade setups. We had the beautiful long on Bitcoin, and we continue to do live streams and show up for you guys. We had some great altcoin trades last weekend. This weekend was a lot more quieter for me. I was busy, but absolutely crushing it. We took a Sheeb trade. That was good as well. Injective, BitTensor, crushing those trades. Pepe, we gave the Pepe long before it went to the moon. That was incredible as well. So come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you guys. Absolutely crushing it. Okay, so it's incredible. If you can't make $20 off of the trades we give you guys, it's probably you and your risk management, man, because it's so easy. It's like, pay attention, set your notifications, wait for your confluences and execute the trades. So come over and hang out in our Discord. Would love to have you guys over there. Alexandra G put it up in the chat, and incredible. So good. So good. Look at a little swing failure pattern down here, grabbing some more liquidity as it proceeds to give you what you need. Bitcoin on its way down right now, 15-minute. Looking like it wants to push back, but it's not there yet, okay? A little bit of an aggressive sell-off here. Coming back for these people like me yesterday who longed down here. We're going to see what goes on. Shout out to all you guys. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you smashing those like buttons. We're almost at 100 likes. If you wouldn't mind just smashing that like button for me, that would be great. And come over and hang out. We do have a free section in our Discord, so we'd love to have you there as well. And if you do want to trade with us, there is a market cipher discount, probably the best market cipher discount I have seen in a while. If you want to come over and use, you're welcome to use anyone link, but Darren Does Things was the first one to mention it. Use the link gobble gobble, okay? Gobble gobble, 60% off, okay? 60% off, my friends. That is wild. So here is the link, and here is the gobble gobble. Use the gobble gobble in the checkout, and you will be very grateful. I mean, I used to renew my market cipher until I bought Lifetime on Market Cipher, TradingView. Buy them all during Black Friday. That's like your greatest money saver you can do for yourself is definitely, buy your stuff. Buy your stuff. You'll never see 60% all year. I tell you that. I promise you that. You'll see. I always share the links, like 30%. You get 15% with Alex O crypto, but you'll never see 60%, okay? You'll never see 60%. So go and get it. I mean, you'll never see it. And Market Cipher is king, okay? Why would I need... So you'll never see that. TradingView, another one to re-up on. Any subscription stuff is definitely the best time is now in the Black Friday sale. We're also going to do a final Black Friday sale in my Discord too, and I will have more of an idea come in a couple days. I'm trying to figure it out. I mean, we charge $20 a month, so it's like, what kind of sale do you want? This is a fire sale already. So we're gonna see what we can do for people who want to be part of the membership, but $20 is too expensive. Okay, I get it. Some people, I don't want to ever not give someone a chance to work and be kind and work with others and learn the craft, okay? So we'll figure something out for some sort of sale within the next couple of days. Okay? Okay. That's it. Because, I mean, we want people to join. We would love for you guys to join. The free ones are the same thing, 99%, just saying. Absolutely. Absolutely. There are other free versions of it. I don't think the money flow is as good, but it's still an option. There's always other options. I do agree, Brian. It doesn't mean for a new trader, I don't think you should just go out and buy Market Cipher. It's probably not your best investment. You can watch a lot of free YouTube, a lot of price action videos, a lot of, RSI, yada, yada, yada. There's many free tools out there that are very helpful. Like when I was new, I used a Fu Manchu thingy. I don't know what it is now, but there's other options out there. I'm not saying you need to get that one. I would never, force or say, hey, you should get this. Is the best thing, since sliced bread. I love it. I use it, and I believe you should too. And I am sponsored by CryptoFace. So therefore, go get your Market Cipher. It is the shit, okay? And it really is. Come on. Let's face it. Anybody who's trading live is using Market Cipher in crypto. Right? Jason Casper, CryptoFace, Lop and Groper, Trader Geo. Look around, right? Look around. Who's crushing it? Proof's in the pudding. Anyways. Oh, yeah. I forgot to include myself. Okay, looks like we're getting a little double bottom bounce here. Nothing to fly home about. Just waiting. Peanut's on its way up, man. I'm telling you, Peanut's going to $5 this week. Peanut is going to go to trend-based fib analysis on Peanut. Okay, Peanut with the trend-based fib analysis, we're looking at a $5 Peanut, in my opinion. 1618, the $5 Peanut. Okay, that is my target. We got this beautiful, beautiful flag here on Peanut. If you are trading degenerately like I am on the Peanut trade. I mean, I'm not a flag guy, but if you're flagging, you're at least getting to $3, okay? At least. Hey, man, you got to have some fun in these times. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Bitcoin trying to push up here. VWAP residing above us here into some resistance. We'll see if it can continue to push. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being on here, supporting the channel. We got a new camera, but we also getting rugged by the Canadian internet. So what can we do? We're growers, not a shower. And we'll continue to show up for you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Right now, Bitcoin, we got a double bottom, bullish divergence, trying to push up here. I want to get long, but I'm not gonna just justify getting long just yet. We'll have to see what goes on here with market structure. I would like to see this high taken at 89, let's call it 90,000. Okay, some sort of breakout, retest, continuation trade. That's more what I'm looking for right now. I want to see confirmation going into Monday morning is basically where I'm at. Okay, this thing's already up 0.5%, right? So not something, you don't want to buy up green candles unless the only time I buy up green candles is when you're getting the move aggressively up, right? Aggressively up, and you get that 382 bounce. That's where you're looking for the buy up on an uptrend. Right now, niente, no trade, just wait. Okay, we got double bottom here, sweep of the lows, trying to push up, breaking above this high here. Okay, this is looking juicy, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're looking for a retest back into the support level. Okay, a nice little aggressive move. Let's see if Bitcoin does want to come back for us. Come on, Bitcoin. Come back for us. Come back. Looking for Bitcoin to come back. 90,000 has been broken. We'll see if this wants to continue to push. We're getting a little bit of a candle close above this high here. Changing market structure on the very short-term time frames, okay? Let's not get it twisted. Let's not get overly, woohoo, we're going to the moon kind of behavior. Let's just be level-headed and look for this thing to give us the idea where we can justify getting long or short. And thank you guys for being here. The stream is healthy, which is a miracle in itself. If you are new here, come and say good morning. When Lambo says Stephen K, 12-minute higher high. Let's go. Dave Digital's watching it close. Just don't get too soft, Alex. If people can go $500 on 200X and get wrecked, they can afford $20. Oh, man. I'm not trying. I get it, Tony. I get it, man. I'm too cheap until I get wife buy-in. Yeah, I mean, maybe we are being a little bit soft. Maybe I have a little bit of imposter syndrome. It's not that I'm not, I'm a great trader. I know that. I'm a great teacher. I know that. It's not denying myself of that. It's just I don't want to charge people a lot of money because I make money from trading. That's the thing. I don't need people to pay extortionate amount of money. I want good people in the group. I don't give a shit if you're an a-hole. You can go and join a wanker group. I don't care. I want to be I don't need your $20. F off, right? That. There's that. I don't want. I paid you $40 and you gave me this signal. I'm like, well, you over leveraged and you're a pencil neck, man. I don't need you in my group, right? So for me, when I put the price so cheap, it's I expect some you to be grateful and kind and helping to others, right? And that's kind of how I want to build the community. I don't want to be hey man, come in here, we'll change your life, you'll be a millionaire, yada yada yada. People are full of shit, man. I mean, if you're a trader you should be able to make money off of trading. You shouldn't have to like, charge people for, the education is part of it, but it's like you some people out there charging $50, $60, $100 for a trading group. And it's like, okay, I get it. Like you got to, pay your bills, but you're going to make a fortune off of these people for what, right? So just saying, man, that's just how I feel about it. And that's how I'll stay with it, right? Like eventually it'll get to a point where we need to raise prices because there's too many friggin' people in there. So we'll need to like wean out some people, but if they're good people, I will grandfather them in for the same price. Oh man, has the market cipher code expired? It should work. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble should work. I hope so. Looking to get long here. Little push back. No douche canoes. That's the one. Alexandra G knows. You can join. Just don't be a douche canoe. My peanut trade is like flat as fuck right now. Sorry. Come on, peanut. Let's go, you stupid squirrel. Pump my bags, baby. Bitcoin looks like it needs to be longed right now. Sorry, I'm distracted. My God. Oh, that was... Let's take a look at the S&P and where we're at. There was some scares about WW3. So let's be cautious here. The S&P rolling over quite aggressively, revisiting previous highs. Okay, that's okay. The Dixie continuing to rip almost at 107. That is crazy. That is crazy. The Dixie's flying. Okay, the NASDAQ as well. The NASDAQ rolling over, revisiting these lows in here. We'll see if we do get a bounce off of the NASDAQ. But, a pump and dump here on the NASDAQ is kind of concerning. Okay, this is still a higher low, right? We still have higher lows. But looking for a continuation here on the NASDAQ, showing some weakness, some scares in the market. So we'll see how the S&P does open this morning. Right now, we do have a gap above us and a gap below us, so we're kind of stuck in the middle with you. And we'll see how it does react this morning. We can possibly come up to fill this, but obviously there's a lot down. So looking for something like that. We'll see how it goes. Bitcoin looking to push up right now as we speak, coming up to VWAP, possible trade setup. Looking for this push, 1% move up to VWAP. We can protect this low here. We could just get in here. Not something I'm jumping into just yet. I'm not seeing enough. We got the little bit of a balloon dog pattern here. If you guys know, we got the balloon dog in here. There's your balloon dog. Trying to push out. Okay, getting above this trend line here. Nice little push. I would like to see it come lower. We'll see if it does come lower. Going into the 1 minute, getting total degenerate. We have made a higher high just now. Okay, so there's some strength. Now we look for the retest back in. Okay, so now we can see strength in this market. Let's wait for it to come and rug everybody who's getting long on this push up. Let's be patient. Coming back, filling fair value gaps over here. Recovering the fair value gaps. This is still a downtrend, so let's not be over ambitious with this jump up here. Looking for something back down in here. Nice little push here at a Bitcoin. Woo! Pushing up. Can it continue? Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 200 people in here. 96 likes. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. If we get to 10,000 by the end of January, I will shave my beard. I have said that, so I now have to commit to it. And I haven't shaved my beard in like 6-7 years. So my goal is 5,000 by January. If we get to 10,000, the beard goes, okay? And we get to see Alex O crypto minus 25 years. I'm gonna look like -10 if that happens. So that would be absolutely hilarious. Mrs. Otter will probably get rid of me, but that's okay. I farted the stinkiest fart just now. Am I dying? Oh, man. Well, why? What is the construction saying? Why fart and waste it when you can burp and taste it? That's so bad. That's so bad. I don't blame people for not subscribing, man. Like, what the fuck's coming out of my mouth? This is what happens when you were a construction worker for 15 years, okay? I would really appreciate you guys subscribing because I talk a lot of smack, okay? Bitcoin pushing. My God. This thing's on a ripper. How's Peanut doing? Peanut? Nothing. Bitcoin? Everything. Coming into market open 9:15. Getting everybody very bullish, okay? This is, everybody's buying this up right now. Everybody's buying this up. We do not want to be retail. Look, coming into resistance, previous highs. Here, a little bit of an order block in here, okay? We do not want to buy this up like retail. We want to wait, okay? We're looking at 90,000, coming back into 90,000. We'll see if we do get it this morning. I'm going to look at 89,900. We'll see 89,900. We'll see if we do get it. Doo-doo. Trading is waiting. That is how it goes, right? So if we're looking for this continuation, we're coming back down in here, retesting the lows. This is pretty aggressive, guys. Let me know if you guys are long and strong in the chat. How was your weekend, everybody? Hope you had a wonderful weekend. A lot of you people touching grass, which is good. Some of you got wrecked. Some of you crushed it, okay? So that's the thing with trading the weekend. The volume is a little bit lower, and it's harder to find direction in the market. So it's never easy trading the weekend. So always be careful. Or you could just come and join our trading group, which is only $20 a month, where you get spoon-fed dot. I mean, Kyle just spoon-fed us all a big chunk of money with the dot trade setup. I mean, you can't get any better than this, okay? This was the easiest trade probably of my life. I just pressed buy and closed my eyes. Bitcoin pushing up here. Everybody FOMOing in at the top. Guaranteed people are buying this right now. I'm not buying this. I may miss the move, but I'm not worried about missing this move. Okay, there's going to be other opportunities here. We got the 786 line down here holding up the price action. A push out, a close above, a retest, a continuation. I'm looking for a retest back into this area in here. We'll see if we do get it this morning around 89,800. We'll have to wait and see, okay? We'll have to wait and see. Nothing as of yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to you guys. Up, up, and away, says Stephen K. Mad love to you. I had weapons training all day Saturday and got caught checking trades on my phone. Awesome. Long until 92,600. Okay. That looks good. I'm in the trenches today at my construction job. Nice, chilly, 35-degree morning. Shout out to you, Bass Crouton. Be safe out there. I thought you were long, so I longed, and now I'm rich. Let's go. Let's go. Robert Ortiz, sniffing farts, man. Oh, man. Beard is nobility. Yeah, don't shave your beard if you're going to look like Voldemort. Oh man, you guys are crazy. Oh, can someone take his batteries out on Biden? Hi Alex, can't buy peanut on Margex. What are you using to trade it in Canada? So if you use the link below, we are sponsored by BloFin, and BloFin has peanut. Okay, so if you want to trade peanut with us this morning, you can use the BloFin link down below. Non-KYC exchange. Good reserves, okay? I only use BingX and BloFin because of the reserves. I would never show you guys, like every other creator, 1,000 different friggin' use Margex, use this one, nah, man, don't. So even MEXC is sketchy, man. So I'd be careful using MEXC. You know, I started trading on FTX. So for me, I'm very, very cautious about which exchange I'm using to trade futures, okay? Or perpetuals. So be very careful. We do have a BloFin link down below. You do get 10% cash back on BloFin. The link is in there forever. I like the way you sit there and wait for an entry forever. It's hilarious. Thanks, R2A. Mad love to you, man. How you doing, man? Good to see you in the chat, man. We do sit here and wait for a trade. Trading is waiting. We need to set the trap, trade the plan. For me right now, this is no trade. Coming into market open. Remember, it is only 918, right? So we're going to see a reaction on price. We're going to see S&P do what it does and make sure that we do make a good decision throughout here, right? Managing risk. What trade is there to be had? We could have taken the bull div down in here. That was very, very much on the radar. We had the bullish divergence into the 786. Double bottom, bounce out. Okay. Yes, in hindsight, we could have taken this long. Did we? No, because, well, it's Monday morning, and for me, only half a coffee in me, right? So you got to ask yourself, are you ready to trade? Are you seeing the charts? Do you want to watch some price action Monday morning, or do you want to just FOMO in and you know, hope for the best? For me, I'd rather not be in a trade and wait for the juicy A+ setup than to be in a trade and maybe it goes against me. Maybe I'm pissed off. You know, start my week off bad. That's never going to be a good way to start the day, in my opinion. So we wait and we see that, you know, people are buying this up right now. And that's fine. That's fine. Some people have made some money, you know, a nice 1% move out of here. For me, there was no trade. And you gotta ask yourself, like, was it there? Yes. Should I have taken it? Probably. Did I take it? No, and that's okay. What we do is we have made sure that we didn't risk ourselves too much. And look at this thing. People buying in down here, coming back, wrecking some people. So being patient is the number one thing I can always kind of not preach, but really help the new trader. Because for me, when I was a new trader, it was always over trading. It was always, I need to be in a trade. I need to trade. If I'm not in a trade, it's not good. Yada, yada, yada. Looking at 89,900. We'll see if we do come back and revisit these highs in here. That would be my first idea. We'll see if we do get back into 89,930. Looking for a sweep of the lows. Coming into market open, we have 9 minutes. Nice little sweep in here. Okay, Peanut trade is coming against us now. Like, Peanut doesn't want to go anywhere. But there is a sense of responsibility to help people not over trading, help people take a good approach. The price is coming back for you. We'll have to wait here. We'll have to wait. A little bit of a sweep down below. Okay, we'll see if this does want to continue up, and away. Ooh-wee. Coming into market open, we'll see how it behaves. I'm still looking at 89,900. We'll see if it does come in here. Oh, yes, preach that shit over trading dopamine addiction, which creates gambling. Absolutely. Right? You need to trade a plan. If you're not trading a plan, you're not trading a setup. If you haven't backtested your trading, it's like you're gambling. You straight up are, right? You're absolutely right. Any thoughts on ETH today? I sold my ETH for tax purposes for a nice little profit, but you know, ETH is in this nice descending channel here. And it looks to pop, right? It looks to pop. Especially in comparison to Solana, which has popped, right? Solana was in this nice wedge and it broke out, okay? And now we have ETH doing a similar thing where it is sort of in this thing right here, right? So we're looking for this kind of breakout retest continuation on ETH. We'll see if that happens as well. I sold my ETH over here, and that was for tax purposes. That doesn't mean that ETH can't continue up, but if it's December 24th and we're down here, I mean, whether I sell here or here, it's quite a big difference. I had like 100 grand on this trade, but I mean, I was buying all the way back at sub $2,000. So either way, profits, taking profits, securing the bag, never something bad, right? So ETH does look like it wants to pop. Just a matter of time. We'll see if it does want to accumulate. And if you wanted to know that we got long in our Discord right here on this ETH trade, and Kyle is still in this trade. Kyle gave this long on ETH. Amazing, amazing trade as well. So, I mean, insane gains. Look at this thing flagging out, trying to break up and continue upwards here. Looking strong here on Bitcoin. Coming into market open. We got 5 minutes till market does open. Okay. Peanut trade not looking so good. Nice push up here on Bitcoin. Continuation to the upside. Can this continue to push? We got a little bit of FOMO coming in. Looking at along around 89,900. We'll see if it does retrace back. Give us a chance to get in. Okay. We just don't want to FOMO in at the top. That is not a smart strategy. Okay, so looking for continuation here. We got VWAP just above us here around 91,000. Okay, so a little patience will prevail. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. Mad love to all of you for being here. Make sure you are saying hello. I'm from Jordan. If I see missiles flying above us, I'll let you know as soon as... Oh, man. Avia, may you be safe. Thank you. Hope you're safe, and mad love to you over there. Never want to see that, man. That's it's crazy how far we've come, but how not far we have come with stuff like that, with geopolitical, conflicts and shit like that. It's gross in my opinion, but what can you do? What can you do? These bigger powers, at play. It's not for us to really it's for us to put up our opinions, but we can't really control what they're doing. 190 people in here. Thank you so much for being here. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. If you want to subscribe, we are here live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. We will be going live 5 days a week starting in December. So make sure you guys are ready on Wednesdays. We typically don't trade Wednesdays, but we will be there starting in December. We are coming up with a discount for our membership. $20 a month. I mean, it's already pretty cheap. You're already pretty privileged if you want to come over and hang out there, but I will be setting that Black Friday thing up for you guys hopefully today. Okay, that'll be on my priority list. I got a bunch of work around the house to do. Some fall cleanup and stuff like that. So, busy life. Grateful for it, but grateful for you guys for being here, hanging out with me. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Can you have a look at Link long-term? Link does look like it's ready to pop. I was looking at Link. I do hold a big old bag of Link, but if you're looking at Link, it consolidates, then it goes, right? So right now it's going. Okay, so we'll see if it does want to get above, some key levels here. Just trying to reclaim that $17 mark on Link. But right now, getting back up within this area here, I would expect some oscillation between your $13.50 and your $16, $17, okay? It does like to chop and then pop, right? Chop and pop is Link. So right now, getting above here, above that $13 is magical for Link, right? So I would expect some consolidation before continuation on Link, but it does look strong in my opinion. Bitcoin. Market's open 2.5 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate you. Sorry about the lag this morning. It does get a little bit choppy. I think it is the school run, and it's all like everybody waking up and jumping on to their computers, yada, yada, yada. So maybe that's it. Like, it's pretty annoying, but, I mean, we got direct connection, Ethernet into the computer, fiber internet, paying out the wazoo for it. We'll see how it continues to behave. Not favorable in my opinion. Peanut trying to push here. Let's go, Mr. Peanut. It's overdue, man. Look at this, making some higher lows here. Coiling up, man. We get above this high here. Woof. Gonzo. I mean, this is a big move. It is a cheeky meme coin, so be careful. Snack is popping off. Does that mean ADA's going today? Is ADA off to the races? What's ADA doing? Well, consolidation, rejection at all-time highs. Okay. Pretty wild. Let's see how the S&P opens this morning. That's what I'm interested in. We got a minute left till market opens. Thank you guys for being here. Let's see how this goes. And today, for all of our members, we do have a Discord live stream at 12:15 where we can go over all your altcoins, any trading ideas, anything you guys want to cover. Bring your questions, bring your altcoins, all that stuff. We definitely do have 3 live streams that we answer all the questions for our members and try to get you guys all the goods. Okay, so don't forget, for members, 12:15 today Eastern Standard Time, we do have a live stream. And after this stream too, we do have Brewberry who goes live as well. I don't know if he's going live today. We'll find out, but come over and hang out in the Discord. Brewberry hopefully going live today. And we can send you guys over to Brew after this. We are starting to a small suggestions. Called service and told them about the performance due to the box on the TV menu. Okay, so maybe I'll call them. Wild Deuces, thank you. I'll call them and complain. They give me some better equipment. Make your problem seem worse than the eye. Okay. Injective long, guys. You guys are crushing it in the Discord, man. Slam Banjo is on an absolute tear. My God. My guy. All right, topping out here. This is Bear Divs all day. Not participating in this. We got market open. S&P has not gapped up or down. It's pretty much flat. Okay, no decision here. The NASDAQ is pushing up. Okay, looking to break out. Nice move for the NASDAQ. S&P, nothing much. Russell needs to continue to push back up, change some structure within here. Nothing as of yet. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit here. No trade as of yet. Let's see if it does want to come down. We do have a nice little order block within here. Coming down within this area in here. Okay. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on. Come to Papa. 89.90, 900. Looking for that potential long. We'll see if we do get it in here. 89.943 possibly. Let's see if it does want to come down and show me the money, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come into Papa's kitchen. Ooh, doesn't want to give up this low. Doesn't want to give up the low. It wants to push, but it's gonna revisit. You know it wants to. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. I'd love to oh my God, look who it is. Good morning. Wanted to pop in and send love to Papa Alex. Oh, Randy Hipper in the chat. Let's see some cookies. Mad love to Randy Hipper. I better see you at Vegas. I'm going to Vegas. I've booked my ticket. We're going to Bitcoin 2025. Me and Mrs. Otter and Baby Otter. And you the best, Randy. I always try to come by and say hello to your chat and to your peoples, the Cookie Monster. Mad love to you, Randy. Thank you for being here. We're here trading live as usual. Market Cypher family, Randy Hipper. Greatly appreciate you for being here and supporting the channel. Guys, go over and check out Randy Hipper if you want some alpha. This girl's on friggin' the news and stuff, man. Like, you can't beat it. It's incredible. Total representing, this crazy industry. Randy Hipper, go and check it out. Let's go. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Go over and hang out with Randy Hipper. Bitcoin pumping right now. We're missing our trades, Randy. We're trying to shill it out to the community. That's okay. We don't mind. There's always more trades. Bitcoin ripping to the upside. Do we FOMO in at the top, Randy? You let me know. What is your trading advice? Maybe we need to FOMO in at the top. Bitcoin ripping to the upside as we speak. Coming into VWAP. We'll see if it does get rejected. Thank you for coming by and saying hello, Randy. We might just have to press buy for Randy Hipper. Mad love to you. Have a great day. Do your own research. Keep calm, hodl on. That's it. Mad love. So Bitcoin getting a rip to the upside right now. I should have told you guys to all FOMO in long here. We're already up 1.5%. Mad crazy Bitcoin price action right now coming back in. We'll see how the S&P is rolling over. Nothing to go home about there. How is our peanut trade doing? I kind of closed it. Closed the tab here. We're looking for peanut to rip to the upside. Come on, peanut. Let's go. We are currently in the peanut trade. A little bit of a swing trade here on peanut. And we're looking for this thing. We're managing too many trades at a time. And we're trying to say hello to every single one of you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Mad love to every single one of you guys for being here. Bitcoin on an absolute tear this morning. God bless and good morning to every single one of you. Happy Monday. We got over 200 people in the live stream. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully, we can get on this Bitcoin train. It definitely does not look like it wants to stop. It is ripping to the upside, and we'll see. We're going to have to look for a retest here on the Bitcoin pump. This is pretty intense. We'll see where it comes back down to. We were looking for a retest back in here, but right now we're going to have to make some adjustments on the fly. We can see the volume is spiking right now. Big push to the upside. No FOMO. But we are looking for this thing to get a little rejection. We got a volume node up here and a VWAP. We'll see if it does show strength. But this is definitely not an area where to get long. We're not trying to long this. Please be careful here. If anything, we're looking for a retest to these highs now and for continuation up and out. But Bitcoin doesn't care about what our volume nodes are, what VWAP is. Aggressive push through VWAP can give us a trade setup to look at VWAP to hold as support now. So now we look here for this thing to hold Bitcoin to the upside. Everybody's FOMOing long this morning. Peanut is trying to push as well. We'll see if we do get that continuation. Coming back to retest the highs in here. Looking for a potential long trade setup here at the retest of these highs. We'll see if we do get it. Coming back down to 90,700. We'll see if we do get that on the price action this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Let me know if you did get long this morning. Congratulations to all your gains. Let's go. Was there a CME gap? I didn't check CME, but there is a gap, and it did get filled overnight, as you can see. So that gap has been filled. So we'll see if we do get a retest back in here. S&P rounding up, looking to push. Bitcoin pushing up. Continuing to push, aggressive move through VWAP. We can always look for a retest into VWAP now. But this thing is up only right now. I don't know if it's going to let us get long. Be careful for the correction, though. Don't be long in the top. Please don't be long in the top. This thing is aggressive. Bitcoin pushing to the upside. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smashing the likes. Hopefully, we can help you guys make better decisions on a daily basis to your trading. I mean, we would have loved to go long, but sometimes it doesn't let you. It doesn't let you. The confirmations weren't there, in my opinion. Okay, up only is for reals right now. We'll see if it does want to continue to push. Coming into 91,000, pushing up as it goes. I can smell your FOMO through the microphone. I can smell the FOMO through the microphone. You guys are all wanting to press buy right now. I'm looking at 90,750. 90,750 for the continuation. Can we get it? A little retest back in. Let's go. 90,750 retest of VWAP. Looking for this one right here. We'll see if we do get it. Come on, Bitcoin. Push down. Push down quickly. Let's go. Snap it. Snap it back in. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it. Push it back in. Wrecking the longs, wrecking the shorts. We'll see if we do get the trade set up this morning. Looking to get in. Hold VWAP. Hold VWAP. Okay. Looking to get in. Okay, we're in. Let's see if it does push. Push Bitcoin. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. 90,000. 90,150. Looking for first take profit. 90,150. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Give it to us. 90,150. Okay, coming against us a little bit here. Tight stop loss underneath this order block in here. We'll see if we do get it. We are currently in this trade. Coming back, retesting VWAP. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Push. Continue. Continue, my friend. Continue. Let's go. Let's go. Seeing a little bit of weakness right now. A little bit of weakness. Trying to hold this volume. We've pushed through the volume level. We've flipped it. So we'll see if this can hold as support. Okay. It can come back for us. Let's be very aware of that. It can come back for us. So we're currently a little bit underwater. Let's put this a little bit more accurately here. We're looking to hold above these highs here. Okay. We'll see if we do hold above these highs. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, coming back down pretty aggressively right now. Was that the short trade? Was that the short trade? Oof. Coming right back into this order block. The loud order block, pushing up. Push, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Nothing as of yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We'll see if this does want to continue. Rejection from the golden pocket. Bounce off this order block. Doesn't want to continue. Nothing as of yet. We're a little bit underwater. Push, Bitcoin. Nothing as of yet. Stop loss is just above these, just below these highs. Okay, stop loss just below these highs. Right around 90,350. 90,350. Looking for a continuation here. We'll see if we do get it. Then a rejection at the golden pocket. So if we're looking here, and we should have marked this out from swing high to swing low. Okay. There's your rejection. Very good call. Should have marked this out earlier. Good call. Thank you for letting us know. We'll see if we get that continuation. Push. Push, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. You got it. You got it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. It's time to go, baby. It's time to go. It's time to go. 91,150. Okay, we are in the profits now. We are now in the profits. Okay. 91,000. Maybe we take a little bit off at 91,000. Come on, baby. Push a little bit more. Okay. Little battle going on here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang, gang. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push it. Up only. We want up only. We want up only. Peanut trying to rip to the upside. Bitcoin coming back down on our heads. Coming back down on our heads. A little bit of a double top here coming in. Can we see the continuation for Bitcoin? A lot of buying pressure coming in here. Let's see if we do get the continuation. A little bit of a stall out here. We'll see if we do continue to push. I love to every single one of you guys for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you guys are enjoying the content, I would really appreciate if you do subscribe. We're well on our way to getting over 5,000 subscribers. We want to get to 5,000 subscribers. That would be an amazing milestone for myself. I mean, thank you everybody for being here. 196 people in here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Can Bitcoin continue from here? Holding VWAP, trying to push out of it. We'll see. It has hit the loud order block. Doesn't mean it can't come down for this one. So let's be cautious here. And make sure you guys are managing risk, making sure you're not overextending yourself on your risk management. Remember, you're getting the volatile moves. Okay, so nothing to be too overextended with your leverage or your position size or anything like that. The moves are coming, so you need to be frivolous. That's the word. We'll use it. Frivolous. Okay. I have taken a little bit of profit off of the top right now. Okay. Just realizing a little bit of gains. Okay. That does give me a little bit of wiggle room here if we do come down to add. Okay. We can look to add. I've taken a tiny bit off. We'll see if we do get the continuation here. Okay. Let me share it so you guys know sharing is caring. Taking a little bit of profit off, shave off 25% just to take a little bit off. So I've mitigated my risk a little bit right now, looking for this thing to continue to push. Doesn't mean I'm thinking this is going to reverse. I'm just managing risk. Okay, this is pretty intense. Hopefully Bitcoin can continue to push. We'll see if it does. Like I said, we can come down into this order block down below here. I could look to add in here at around 90,400. Okay, looking to possibly add. We'll see. We'll see if it does give me that option. But right now I have a little bit more wiggle room on this trade because I've taken a little bit of profit off. We'll see if it does want to come down and give me a possible better area to add to this trade. Remember, 90,400 does look quite juicy. 90,400. We look for continuation here. The S&P, what's going on here? Trying to push up. NASDAQ. Okay, rolling over. Rolling over. Continuation, possibly. Okay. Everybody getting really bullish this morning. Let's be patient. The peanut trade is still up, but not what we want, but it has made a higher high, so we look for continuation on the peanut trade. The peanut trade this morning. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. If you are new here, come over and hang out in our Discord. Would love to have you. Mad love to all of you guys. God bless you guys. Let's go. TP'd 50% at VWAP. Stop loss in profit. Let's go. Dave Digital crushing it, man. Rejection from Golden Pocket. Amen. Pieces. BTC start short at 92,000. Look at this coming into a potential ad zone here. Looking for the bounce, Bitcoin. Looking for the bounce at the highs. Do we get it? Okay, going to look to add here to the trade. Going to look to add to the trade. Going to look to add to the trade. Waiting, waiting. Trading is waiting, my friends. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. Let's see what goes on here. I want to see a bounce out of here. You add when it bounces. You don't add. It's retracing here. Retracing. Bounce. Bounce. Come on, bounce, baby. Bounce, but bounce, but bounce. Shake it, shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it. Boom, boom. Bounce, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. No bounce yet. Loud order block down below here. Cautious. Cautious, cautious. Okay, liquidity order block down here. No bounce yet. No bounce yet. We're getting a trigger wave forming on Market Cipher. Trigger wave forming on Market Cipher. Can we get the bounce out of here? Can I get a hoya? Come on in the chat. Happy Monday to every single one of you guys. Okay, here we come. Here we come. Bounce, baby. No bounce yet. Coming into this loud order block. Want to see the higher low? Bounce now? Bounce now or forever hold your peace. That's the one. Bounce now or we're closing the trade. Little bounce, nothing to write home about. Okay, gonna add to the trade now. Okay, just added. 616 coming in at 616 here. We'll see if we do just below these lows here now. Just below these lows here. Let's see if we do continue to push up. We've added. We're down to 616. Okay. We'll see if this holds. We'll see if this holds. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Push, 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 push. We've held the higher low here into the order block. Higher low, higher low. Push now. Come back up to VWAP. 90,850. 90,850. Stop loss just below here. Okay. Stop loss at 90,140. Continue to push. Push, Bitcoin. Come on. Don't be a namby-pamby. Push. Coming up into VWAP. Might just take it off at VWAP. Might just run with the profits at VWAP. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it. Push it. Yeah. No, you don't want to push up to VWAP? Push up to VWAP. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Push up. Let's go. Push up to VWAP. You can do it. I believe in you. All right. Nothing yet. 90,008. Nice buy up in here. We'll see if we do continue to push. We can take a break even trade. That's not what I want. I want that money. Let's not be greedy though. Not be greedy. Come on, Bitcoin. You know you want to push it, baby. Push it real good. Push it. Push it. All right, a little rejection here. I need more coffee. Can someone call DoorDash and get me some coffee, please? There should be a Black Friday sale. There will be a Black Friday sale on the Discord, but it's $20. We're gonna give a discount until December, I think, and then we're gonna possibly raise prices because this is getting ridiculous. This is getting ridiculous. We'll let you guys know. We'll grandfather in everybody who is already in. Push, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it all night long, little Nikki. Is that little Nikki? All right. Nice push here from Bitcoin. Push up, baby. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to the Otter Gang, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. What's going on in the chat? You can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning. Maybe the Russell has to flip the gap first. Maybe. There's a gap below us or what? What's going on with the Russell? Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. Where's this gap? Where's this gap on the Russell? Oh, we gotta blow on this price action right now. It's rolling. It's rolling. Don't be moving that stop loss. I see you over there. You keep adding to your trade. No push here. Rejection off the golden pockets. We should have saw that earlier. That's okay. That's okay. Structure is still intact here. However, a higher low can still come in here. We can look here, right? So if we're looking, yeah, just below us here is a golden pocket. Ooh-wee. Okay. You could be possibly looking to get in over here. Something like this. Quite possible for a full retest. Bitcoin rolling over here. Doesn't want to push for me. That's okay. That's okay. Still continuing to put in these higher lows, okay? There's still some hopium here. If you want to smoke it, it's there for you, okay? The hopium is still there. We got a little trigger here. Red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot. 3 minute. 3 minute wants to push as well. Okay, money flow green crossover here. View up, trying to come back in. 8 minute. 8 minute Continuation momentum wave. Money is green. Money is green. Can we continue to push or will we roll over? That is the question. Bitcoin not knowing what to do. Stalling out here. This does look like a bit of a bear flag. In my opinion, if we go over to our 1 minute, we can see that, hey, we are starting to flag out here a little bit. So cautious here, right? Typically breaks down. If we don't see a push back here and get back above VWAP, then we need to be very cautious here. Clean rejection off golden pocket. VWAP. We got also a volume level up in here. Remember, we said this wasn't the area to long. We longed on the retest. We took a little bit of profit. Okay. Good thing we took a little bit of profit. Now we've come back down. We've added to our trade. Our average has been brought down to 616. So literally just below these lows here. And we are looking to hold this area within here. We'll see. We do have the golden pocket down below us. We'll see if this does want to push back up, but not looking too good right now. Might just take off this trade if we do come back up to the break-even area, but not looking too good. Like we talk about quite often here, right? So people are buying into this thing. As soon as we pop here, people are longing late, right? So what goes up must come down. Okay, close, and knocked out of the trade. Okay, so we're out of that trade right now. We'll see if it does want to continue to push. We could be looking to add into this trade, add into a new trade here as we come back in. A little bit of an L. That's fine. Not much of a loss. We'll see if this does want to continue to push. Looking down at our possible golden pocket area here for a potential bounce back. Okay, bounce back. Of course, it probably is just going to grab this liquidity in here and now continue upwards. But that is price action, okay? So be careful. We don't want to just trade it as, some hopium. We want to be level-headed with our decision. It's okay to take a loss, right? You take a $300 loss, you make two $900 trades, right? It's easy. You got to have a good R multiple when trading. And that's the name of the game, okay? You got to play the odds, and you also got to play the risk management, okay? Taking a L here stops you from getting all this wreckage down to the bottom here. If this thing continues to roll over, okay, whatever. We're taking a $300 loss rather than a $600 or a $900 or a whatever position size you guys are taking. See, there it is. There it is. There's that sweep that you don't want to be a victim of right there. That's it right there. Are we looking to fire off along here? Woo-wee, big volume surge. Big volume surge. Look at that. That's why you use a stop loss. Just as we're speaking, man. Just as we're speaking, they come and they rug everyone. Wow. That was incredible. That was incredible. Look at that big old dirty rug job they just did to everyone, man. That is those guys on YouTubers who are doing the rug cleaning videos. That was that right there. That's why you use the stop. That's why you get out of the trade. That's why you have invalidation points, right? I am wrong if price comes down below here, right? So there's always something to learn as you continue here. See, that $300 loss could have turned into whatever that was, probably $600, $700, $800 loss, and that's not good for the trading account, right? So never ever be afraid to take a loss. There's always more trades, and there's always going to be a time to manage risk better, right? We could have just taken that off up here. That's okay, right? In retrospect, you always want to reflect on your trades. Okay, we got clear signs of a downtrend. There wasn't any invalidation down below, but we got some clear signals that, hey, man, we could be coming down lower. So be cautious here, right? Be cautious. So always things to learn, right? But you don't want to be a victim to that shit. So mad love to every single one of you guys. 4 hour is bearish. Okay, we'll see. We're bouncing out of like 786 volume level right now. We'll see if it does bounce back up. Pretty incredible trading day. I mean, typical Monday, right? Typical Monday. If I do stream today, it will be late and short. So Brewberry is not feeling well today, which is fine. So we're going to have to redirect you somewhere else. It's been an interesting trading day, to say the least. But you know what? That's all right. We'll send you over to Army Piper. Maybe he has something for you guys with his open mouth thumbnail. We'll send you over there. But thank you guys so much for being here. You might want to get long. You might want to get short. But at the end of the day, you definitely want to subscribe and hang out with us in the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Discord. Not always going to catch them all. Sorry about the lag this morning. You know, you can't always fix that. We got a new camera looking good, trying to upgrade our stream quality. Obviously, the internet has been a pain in our ass. Thank you guys so much for everyone being here and supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys as usual. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Monday. Be safe out there. It's crazy volatile, so make sure you're being safe. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, live, 8:15. Mad love. Peace. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.